This is house number 6049. It is a Fullerton II modified, and I'll let you know what's modified about it. But we'll be making this into a Fullerton III plan because it's so fantastic. It has some really great choices, and it is enormous once you see it. So I'll walk you through it and tell you about some of the changes that's going to make this into a Fullerton III plan. But if you're interested now, you can ask your project manager about house number 6049. These are classic oak stone cabinets, and they have a stone stain on them. And it is absolutely phenomenal in person, I must say. It is a very good combination. I'll show you the bar back here. It is very pretty. These are Corian countertops. And I'll try to go back and look at the color and put it in the description for you. I want to say Smoke Drift Prima. Again, this is staggered cabinets, so the cabinets go up and down, and it's an amazing look. They pop up, and they just look phenomenal. You can choose to have this with a raised island or a flat island. And remember, when you're buying your home, to pay attention to where the drawers versus doors are. This home, and I will show you all of them, has a lot of drawers. So these two sets are drawers. They're going to be nice, deep. So think about what fits your style, your cooking, your items. And this is a built-in trash can here. So we've got the same set here, more drawers. And then over here, we've got two really deep ones. So drawers can come as big as 36 inches when you're planning your own home. So that you know. Those are soft clothes, obviously. I'm gonna show you the wide view here. Again, this home was just set, so this is still under construction right now, but the homeowner was nice enough to allow us in today. There are those great windows right there to show you. These are 9-foot ceilings, cathedral, and then a beam, which Wardcraft can do. Here's your coffee bar. This is one of the changes. So on the Fullerton II, the pantry would actually be behind this over here. On this one, it's here. And on the other side of it is an office. So we'll show you how deep this is. It's pretty nice. You can put a countertop there, or you can just do shelving. This is all the trim. There, she's got some soffit stuff in here that comes with your house. This was just set not too long ago. We'll go through here. This is the first time I've ever driven to a house, and it's actually between the corn. So they actually paved a path between their corn. This is a nice entry craftsman railing there. And you can see the basement still being constructed. And this is a craftsman half wall. So this is an extra closet. Because it's above the steps, it's going to have this in there to give you headroom. But you can still make use out of this closet space. We're going to go into their master. They made a decision to go with taller windows, and I must say it's quite impressive in person. So those are really tall windows there. I'm going to give you a close-up. These are the Pella Impervia. So they're black on the inside, black on the outside, and this matches phenomenally with this oak stone color. It's pretty seamless. It looks great. I definitely don't think you'd want white in this situation. But if you upgrade to the Impervia, this is what you get. These are casement windows. They're the best in high wind. And let me tell you, it is very windy here, so that will help keep the dust and such out. And it'll be an expense that you'll be happy that you made later. Here's our classic 3 windows above the bed. That's Craftsman trim. If you're looking for a home in the 1860 square foot range, I would absolutely consider this. It is one of the best floor plans I think I've walked through. Not all lighting here, so we're gonna get a little dark. Let me see if I can throw in my new little light here. We're gonna go through this bathroom. So we have a linen, double sink vanity. I will say, most of the time I'll say go with a single sink, but this one is so large, a double sink vanity definitely works in this situation. You've got plenty of room. Wood wrapped mirror does not cost much more as an upgrade. Definitely worth the money there, I think, too. And now I'm gonna show you this really nice shower. So that's a full onyx shower. That would be an upgrade, of course. But this is how it goes when you have shower doors. So you can get these shower doors. This person has added a bench, which is great for shaving your legs, putting extra material. And onyx is guaranteed for life by the manufacturer. So anything goes wrong with this, you add the cubbies, you have this for your shampoo, soap, take it all the way up to the ceiling. Easy to clean. One surface, you don't have grout lines, you don't have to mess with any of that. Look at that great shower head there. Very easy to clean surface. This is a great idea. Onyx bottom with a door. Here's where the toilet will go. And we're gonna walk into a closet. So this is the second closet in this bathroom. And this is super long. So we have 2 rows here, plenty of space for clothes. And then right here would be for hanging clothes, longer hanging clothes. And they use this for shelving. So this is the other side. Remember, your stairs are here at the bottom. So this shelf has to be raised up. But that's a great use of space, using every inch of available space in this home. I really like this spot right here because, well, that's for towels, but you could also consider using that space for extra vanity space. I don't know about you, but I'm getting older and I would really like to be closer to a mirror or something. There's absolutely room for like a side mirror right there. Think about that when you're doing your home. You might want to add some electrical there. I almost missed this great spot here. I love this. This is for towels, etc. Finished out in oak. Looks really nice. You can see it has a really nice front. Makes it look a lot thicker than it is. That's the construction of it. Again here, she's added some drawers. Very, very smart decision. Here's your second closet with bypass doors in the master bedroom. Remember, those big extra long windows look really good. Let in lots of light. There is hardly any electricity here, but there certainly is a lot of light in this home. Look how much space. I don't know if you can take in how large this is. So this is one of the changes that was made that's going to make this a Fullerton III, and the change in this floor plan. This whole space has been added. They took out some of the space and the flex space in the laundry of the Fullerton II plan and put that space into the kitchen. And boy, was that worth it. I don't think you really need it in the laundry because you'll see the laundry is really large. But this is so large. I mean, when I walked in this home, I thought it was 2250 square foot at least. It's only 1860 and it's enormous. Look at that beam. And the lights. I'm gonna pause at the lights. Think about where you want to put your lighting. don't think I went close enough to that window, so I might do that here so you can definitely get a look at the window. So this is the office. I think this is a great office. It's a nice size, and I'm gonna close up in on this black impervia window with the stone. Remember, it's dusty out here. These people just did their home. So you're gonna see that, but that's a really good match and looks really, really good. Right there, that bump out, that's your pantry, which has been moved in this plan. I'm gonna do a close-up of this again. Now look, see, these are rounded. This is Corian, so we do the Corian, and it's rounded. Think about under cabinet lighting if you happen to want any of that. This is the second bathroom. So we've got a really nice linen. Very usable, lots of space in there. You can definitely stand back and get ready. There's a toilet. It's still boxed up at the moment. And that will get set at the end. And here's the laundry. So normally in the Fullerton II plan, there would be flex space, which would be here, but which actually would have extended out to about here. They chose to push that back and shorten the laundry. And this is still, look at all those cabinets in this laundry. This is still a huge laundry. There's where your washer and dryer is gonna go, and you've got 4 cabinets above for all your items you may need. This is also an upgrade to have your door pre-painted black. Look at that large, tall, extended faucet there for your laundry sink. It gives you plenty of space to get under it. So yeah, if you go with a taller one, and this is, I think this is an Eva. Moen faucet. All of the doors in this house are solid core as they are in our custom homes. So they have some heft to them. That was a large laundry. This is going to be the second bedroom. Bypass doors versus bifold. This is what the bypass doors look like. And the windows. Again, these are casements. Behind there, they're going to put stone on their house, so that's how it'll be set if you choose to do that option. And I might go back out and just show you the complete walkthrough of this home. 6049. If you want to ask your project manager, you can call 188-927-3272 and get pricing on this home.